For those of you that want to go to every national park, this RD210 floor plan from Pioneer was made for you. In this floor plan, above the dinette, massive storage on both sides. A lot of cabinets that are well designed, a lot of storage. This cabinet actually goes the entire length of the jackknife sofa. Across from the jackknife sofa, you have your entertainment center. So room for your TV, a radio that's very, very unique. It has pass-through USB, Bluetooth, pass-through HDMI. This is the easiest setup to play your audio on the campsite or to connect your PlayStation to the TV. You don't have to access the connection behind the TV. It all passes through this stereo system. LED lighting under the cabinetry. As far as the dining itself, very, very large. I'm 6'3", 250. Very, very comfortable. You notice massive windows all around me, including this one, and they open. So you don't have to rely on the AC unit. Just simply open these up and allow Mother Nature to cool your coach. When we talk about this jackknife sofa, very, very functional by our Pioneer team. You've got, nice little cup holders. You open this up, you got storage underneath. You got to have a place for people to sleep. They can sleep here. To see a jackknife sofa with the dining in a coach this size, I think it's pretty unique. You have an 8 cubic foot gas electric reefer. It also comes with a chalkboard surface. So if you gotta leave chore list for your little campers or your to-do list, ideal spot for you to do that. You have a lot of storage. I think there's 23 cubbies throughout this coach. You've got your microwave over a 3-burner glass top stove. You have a solid surface countertop. Not only do you have 3 large drawers here under your sink, you also have a nice cabinet drawer finally for your trash can, so everything can be out of your way. These are high. I'm 6'3", 250, and I have a lot of room. I feel very comfortable in this coach. You've got 10 inches of more space here in the master suite. You have a true 60 by 80 queen size bed with nightstands on both sides, and we're not done yet. You have this massive shelf over the queen size bed. You have closets on both sides with lighting and also outlets. So for those of you that travel with a CPAP or you have your smartphones and you want to charge them at night, they made these nice pass-through gates here. This is closed off. What I don't see here in this storage under the 60 by 80 queen size bed, I don't see wet, dirty, folding chairs that came from the campsite. You know why? Because the Pioneer team block it off from the pass-through storage. So everything you store here is going to stay dry and clean. What I really like to see is all the natural light you get from these big windows that, again, open. You don't have to rely on the AC when you're camping. Not in this coach. We have ducts going all the way from the front to the back of the coach. So your ductwork is coming up through the floor to heat your entire unit, not just against a 4-foot square against the opposing wall. Back here in the coach, as I pointed out by your entertainment center, you have TV hookup. You have TV prep over here in your master suite. You have it under the awning on the outside of the campsite. So again, just a lot that you get at this price point in this category. For more information, go to heartlandrvs.com.